Yeah, man, big up, big up.
This is, we are from the Siloah Women's Group.
Yes, man.
This is Jackie.
Pauline, Nikki, Mullings, Jones. Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones. All right, maybe left that all. We got a thing. I want to have here going on.
We have a natto.
A natto?
Yes, and this can be used as food coloring. What you do, you drop the annatto into the hot oil,
right,
and you make it stay for a few minutes. You don't make it stay too long. As soon as the oil gets its color,
right,
you take it out because it can be a bit bitter.
All right, good. Annatto seed.
This is green plantain powder.
Right.
Where we dehydrate, peel, slice, and dehydrate the plantain, green plantain, and then we mill it into a powder.
Okay. Oh, all right. And
these are our pickles.
Pickles.
And this is consist of carrots, cucumbers, body pepper, chocho, zucchini.
Oh.
Zucchini, onions, pimento, celery powder, vinegar, sugar, and salt.
Galang Miguel. All right.
Good old cassava starch from back then,
right,
where you grate the cassava, you wash it, let it, you strain it, let the water settle, pour off the water, rinse it again to get it pure white, and then we come by a starch.
Talk to me. All right, I know we have a start. Boy, this is a powerful food, by the way, people.
And this can be used as a thickener. So instead of using cornstarch and flour,
to trick Queen I soup them with on the roadside. Talk here you go, man. Right.
Now here we have some candles.
Boy, but the human Silos group are the well, man. Hey, people, you people, you know, have a group, you know, have like an Instagram, Facebook, not yet. Well, you have to go Billy because people is gonna want to know where you guys are located, right?
These are
good
candles, and the base of the candle is made from cement.
Right.
And we mold this in, let it dry,
right,
and then we pour our candle in with a wick.
I food them interested in us still, you know.
It's coconut drops, and it's made from our dry coconut. We add the sugar, a little salt, ginger, and our flavoring and sugar.
Jamaican
Gizada.
Call him, man. Gizada. Yeah, man.
All pinch me round.
Let me look for your face when you're saying that.
Say, all
pinch me round. Galang. So this make from flour.
Is a pastry base.
Right.
And a filling which is grated coconut, sugar and flavoring.
Right.
Now here we have some lovely cupcakes, and they're there.
With sorrel?
Nice. Yes, with a sorrel filling on the inside. So the taste of the pudding is in the eating.
Talk to me.
The taste of the pudding is in the eating.
Why, but you can't sell it busy. A marketing you do?
Nah. Now we're down to a rock bound. And this again is another form of pastry where you're rubbing your flour into your butter and then we move along.
Right.
And the essence of time, we are now down to our sweet potato pudding.
But say it again.
Sweet potato pudding.
All right.
Potato, the flour as a binding agent, is sugar and a flavoring with a little coconut milk, and you're good to go.
Whoa. All right, so where are we now?
At the zucchini bread.
Boy, may I tell you, this is bread.
Zucchini bread.
Boy, may I tell you, up here adults here.
This is shredded zucchini.
Yes, she never said put any bread in us.
Zucchini bread.
All right, good.
Now from our dehydrated plantain,
right,
here we come up with a green plantain vegan bread.
Right.
This is eggless and with a lot of chia seeds in it.
Wow, chia seed. Yeah, you know some normally do my smoothies with chia seed, flax seed, sesame seed, and you go around.
Good for your hormone and things.
Right.
Now back to our eggless banana bread. And this is ripe banana from the countryman.
Hey, what a woman similar to me, man.
Good old bami.
Why this?
And this is made from grated cassava.
All right, people, you see this a food here? This a food here not strong, you know. This a food here chang. Chang.
When you take this in, you soak a lot of water.
Yeah,
so you
man.
can't be dehydrated having bamis.
Boy, may I tell you, I'm glad I meet you today. Come, over to the best part.
Over to Miss Mullins now,
Yeah,
and
man.
she, because
But they
she's
say-
a bit oily, she will take the oil side of it.
Why may I tell you? Hold on. Yes. All right.
Here we have our Cocoa Miracle Oil.
Beg you up, pre-pan the bottle there.
So it's made from our Jamaican dried coconut.
Right,
Grate it,
right,
put it to boil, and you will get this.
Right.
You can also go on Instagram and follow me at drops_nature21 and you will see all that you need to know about your hair treatment.
Right.
This can also be used on your skin.
Right.
And I have customers who use it to prepare meals at home. So it's a multifaceted product.
interesting.
So
Right,
here we have the good old honey.
Yes.
So you know that a lot of people don't want to use the powdered sugar anymore to sweeten their tea.
Right.
So this is what they resort to.
Right.
Honey. You can also get your honey in various sizes.
Right.
And the nice part, I know the man them love to like you, the wine.
why may I tell you?
So
Wine and dine.
So we have a variety of wine. We have
Hey, which one you start with? Me
We
excited.
have pineapple wine.
Pineapple wine.
We have guava wine.
Of course, made from guava, of course, people.
It's not done right there, so because we have a color.
We are said to me, then me not have color low.
You think a saltfish alone color look?
Hold on, but this big on me. Hold on, let me make sure. Isla wine, go along.
But make me block in a little bit. Some of them are dry wine.
What you say to me?
Good old mango.
Mango wine, yes man. And me anticipate it summer, you know, because me look on the tree them and me write the date them on the mango them.
Start this up. Tell me how you eat a corn now.
Or me eat me corn.
Yeah.
Boy, well, me
Every
every,
time have we look about it.
yeah man, anything with corn, me love cornmeal pudding,
Next
ton
time,
cornmeal.
you need to sip it with a little corn wine.
What you say to turn it around there?
Sip it with a little
Corn wine, okay, corn wine,
corn wine.
okay.
And of course, we eat what we grow.
And-
We grow what we eat. So look over your son.
Whoa. So all of this are from the women's group?
Yes.
Boy, man, you don't need to step up. Look, they say, all right, the first question I asked was, why it's all lady? And they did not say that they are excluding the men. They are saying that the men, them not join the group. Me not wrong or no. Come, continue. All right, go.
When last you see plummy tomato?
Boy, me call it cherry tomato. Turn on the stem, make it people them see it.
Plummy tomato.
Hold on, let me go down close to them there.
Yes, I want you to take a close
All right.
look.
Boy, me I'll take one before me leave because me need to plant
The
one.
good old carambola with them call star fruit.
Oh, this how man I know all time name some man.
We have it hot and we have it sweet. Then you have pepper.
Yeah man, and them I then call it broad body scotch bonnet.
Pepper.
Or pepper. All right. Hold on, no hospital mean that. At the same call. We not reach us yet. Oh, shush man. Three eye.
1, 2, 3 eye.
All right.
Good dry coconut. When the banana man never come today, that's why we get one hand. Green banana.
All right. And where are we now? We are come to it.
No. Who know Panadol? Them only know it in a liquid and pill form. Here is the good old Panadol plant.
All right, you see this mint people? Yes. When me a grow as a boy, I this thing called the hospital mint. When me down at St. James. But this mint, trust me, when your colleague set, this year when you're craving, at this broke colleague.
Good old rosemary.
Yeah man, rosemary.
We had the headache and the hair.
Of course.
Then we have peppermint for belch the gas.
All right, you see this? The peppermint, the essence of peppermint that you have in liquid. See the real thing here. Show them the real thing.
Here.
All right, very good.
No.
Just get
Come
a
back.
peppermint.
Right.
This is
Pussy gas.
Gas
this is the
buster.
aloe vera plant.
Yes.
We call it aloes. When you want a detox, you just get a little piece with little orange juice.
Right.
You're good to go. No background to feel me brown friend there. But she a Jamaican. She has some sexy things with this lady here. Up on the wall there.
Why may I tell
Up
you?
on the wall there.
Oh, up here, so.
Yes.
Talk to me.
This is how you want to go on the beach, like how summer coming up. And the beach there, right now at Treasure Beach.
Aye.
You don't need worry. Come and check us.
Right.
Have the suit them for you, whether you're bikini.
And Reggae Sunfest a come and the place go claustrophobic, so you need for your van sitting skimpy.
And if you want to be
Right.
a Jamaican, even though you know come from
Right.
Jamaica,
We have
you
here.
do it in a color.
I love this one. I love the design of this one. It look like a tree of life. In the middle, there's a tattoo with the tree of life. Yeah, man. So appreciate you. And I will be posting this on my food channel that is called Fun Food Factory. It will be on my TikTok, which is Knowledgeable True Virgin, and also on my motivational channel, which is Knowledgeable True Virgin. So I appreciate the interview.
Ooh la la!
All right, yeah, man. Love. Let me go back to boy. Me I read over here, so my mouth just a go loco.
Yes, remember to follow me on Instagram.
Say your Instagram again.
Drops_nature21.
One more time.
Drops_nature21. You can also find me on TikTok, same name.
Right. Thank you very much. Peace.